Hi friends, today I am here with an easy Kabsa recipe. So take freshly washed chicken. This is a small whole chicken. Into this 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon of ginger garlic green chili paste, 2 tablespoon of pepper powder, pepper as per your taste. And add all this and marinate well. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and salt as per the taste. And keep it for 15 minutes. And this is 1 tomato juice. Now we have to half fry the chicken. I am frying in butter. You can use oil as well. And I am using the same cooker for frying in which I am using to make the kabsa. When it is half fried, move the chicken and keep aside. And don't worry if the masala stick to the bottom like this, it will be okay when we add water. And for rice, I have taken 1 chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. This is Maggi chicken stock, 1 piece, 1 whole green chili and the biryani masala. Add this all to the same butter in which we fried the chicken. And if you like the taste of dry lemon, you can add it. Then goes the tomato juice and then add the chicken and mix everything well. I took 2 cups of jeeragashala rice, so I am adding 4 cups of water to it. You can use basmati rice instead. Now wait until it boils well. After 15 minutes of boiling, add the rice, stir well. Check the salt once and add if needed. Then close the lid tightly. Turn off the flame for the first whistle. When the pressure is down, open the lid and your kabsa is ready. Give a gentle stir and then let's smoke it. This step is optional, but it adds more taste. And our kabsa is ready to serve. Hope you like the recipe. Try it and share your comments in the comment box. And this goes well with mayonnaise. Thanks for watching.